You are in the home stretch, my amazing little chickadees. So now it's time to write your Works Cited page. And I know this seems a little awkward, but it's really not hard because you have the work done. You use that MLA format that we've been going over and over to list your 3 or more sources. Once you list them, you alphabetize them and you use your hanging indents and you make sure that every source you cited in your essay is listed. If I talked about it, I need to say where it came from. And this is where I say where it came from more specifically than my parentheses within my in-text citation. So you use your research organizer. You're going to go open that up. You already gathered the correct information, so now you're just going to use it. So you have the author, the title, the website name. You have all that information ready to go, and you just need to make each entry. The only thing you're probably going to have to add is the date that you accessed the article. Remember, it goes author's last name, first name, period, quotation marks, title of web page or article, period, quotation marks, italicized website name, and the URL, the day, the month, the year, and the URL is going to come at the end. So here's an example right here for you to look at. And then, big thing, title of the page, Works Cited, center at the top, no bold or underline, double space your list, alphabetize entries, and use a hanging indent. So what you want to do is you want to open a few things right now. So you're going to go in and you're going to go down to where it says number 6, Works Cited page, and you're going to click on it. I want you to notice when you go to open it, before you hop right into my document edit, Mrs. Boudreau put in here for you the step-by-step directions I'm going over right now. They are also towards the top under the agenda where it gives you the step-by-step, all the resources. The guide and directions are right here. So it's completely broken down. You just have to use it. So the first thing is open the document. So once I've opened it, I'm just going to have a blank document. On the document, I need to title the page Works Cited, center it, and just put it right in the middle. Then I'm going to open my organizer. I'm going to see that information. I'm going to format it correctly so it looks like this. If you happen to use the one I have there, go ahead and take it. Once you've written at least the 3 you've done, then you are going to list them in alphabetical order based on the first word of the citation. If there's no author, you alphabetize. If there is an author, you alphabetize by last name. If there's no author, use the first word in the article type. Then you want to put the proper spacing and indents in. So double space, use a hanging indent. The first line is to the left, the second and third are indented. If you're not sure how to do a hanging indent, the easiest way is to highlight all your citations once they're in alphabetical order, right click on them. Right, so watch, I'll show you kind of doing it to this right now. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to right click, see where it says paragraph options. I'm going to come down to paragraph options. Under special, I'm going to change it to hanging. And then I'm going to say OK. And then it will create my hanging indents. Looks a little different because I did it to a list, but it will do it correctly for you. And if you want to undo it, you just do the opposite. Like if you're like, oops, I didn't mean to do that, I just go back to none. So that's one way to make sure that your hanging indents happen. Then you're going to check it over and you're going to say, is Works Cited centered at the top? Did I use the MLA format? Is it ABC order? Is it double spaced? Do I have my hanging indents? Because if you look at the rubric is built in here for you. You can see how you're graded. You have to have structure, alphabetical order, hanging indents, and the minimum number of sources. That's what you need to do to get your grade. So use everything that's there. Take your time, but you've got everything. You just have to get it done. All right, so make sure you do it. Nothing to it but to do it, and good luck.